Today we will be testing a crypto smart money concepts indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. And alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto smart money concepts indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 284 different strategies, with 87 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 175 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,007 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto smart money concepts indicator. And so the source video says Smart Money Concepts Indicator Tradingview, how to use Smart Money Concepts Indicator Tradingview. So stuffed in a lot of keywords there. So a little bit challenging to understand, but I guess it's easy to understand. They're saying they have a Smart Money Concepts indicator. They're going to show you how to use it, and we'll see if it is profitable or not by following the steps that they show in that video. And so the indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Pips Stepped PDFMA indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings on this one, and under the period, we're going to change that to 12. Under the step size, we're going to change that to 80. And under the sensitivity, we're going to change that to 6. And everything else, I believe, stayed on the default setting. Yeah, it looks like it. And so if not, just check these here, make sure everything is lined up like mine. Go ahead and click OK, and it should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a sell trade is going to be an S tag and a purple arrow. It's kind of hard to see, very small right here. You can see that S tag kind of hidden behind this line, and the purple arrow right there. That's going to be the sell signal, as I said. And once that picks up there, basically what that shows is the shift in the coloration of this moving average line here. And then at the same time as it shifts that color, it shifts the color of the candles as well. And so in the source video, I believe they said that you should look for the line to change color and look for a red candle at the same time. But again, they all kind of coincide with each other. And so when it shifts that coloration of the line, you pick up an S tag with a purple arrow, and a red candle now appears. And so a little bit of redundancy there, but that is going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our stop just right above this swing here, and we'll target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you see that we get a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is going to be the L, the yellow L. These are even harder to see, as if that could be possible. You get a yellow L right here and a yellow triangle right there, or arrow pointing up. And again, at the same time, the moving average line switches from red to green, and then the bar coloration changes to green as well. And so when that happens, that's going to be the signal to enter into a long. We're going to put our trade right there, stop just right below this pivot, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one takes a little bit longer, makes a push up, pull back, and then a nice push off that line, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, If you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. And so we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 11 winning trades and 39 losing trades, putting it at a 22% win rate. And so not a great indicator. By the way, this one is going to go on the indicator testing list and not the strategy testing list. Now, back to the numbers here. So we did the 11 trades, 11 winning trades. So if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $15,600 for an overall loss of $9,000 altogether. So yeah, not great at all. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 34 trades altogether. We had 27 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for a total gain of $7,800 altogether. So definitely better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading indicator. All right, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex Indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 4 trades altogether, 6 trades altogether, with 4 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at a 66% win rate. Would have been a gain of $680. On the crypto coin, we did 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate, and would have been a gain of $1,200. For the week total, we would have been up $1,880. And over the 28-week total now, we would have been up $46,290 over 221 trades. And so you can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. All right, that's it for the strategy here, or this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.